Hello dear students, today I will explain integers objective bits from our Pragada Academy material for the demo purpose. See, basically integers are nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, and -1, -2, -3 up to so on. So all the numbers from -1 to -infinity and 0 to infinity we can say are the integers. Positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on infinity plus infinity, call it as positive integers. -1, -2, -3 up to so on minus infinity, so we can say that negative integers, and 0 will be the neither positive nor negative. It will be the integer which is neither positive nor negative. See, coming to the objective bits in this integer chapters, before knowing about the objective bits in this integer chapter, we should know about absolute value or mod values, and also the BODMAS rule, and also additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. Coming to the objective bits from the integers chapter, first bit, the integer which is 5 more than -2 is. See, they told the integer -2, the integer which is 5 more than -2, nothing but more than, we need to add +5 for the -2. Asking the integer which is 5 more than -2. For the -2 you need to add +5. More means we need to add +5. So -2 plus 5, nothing but, if we have the opposite sign we need to apply the subtraction. If we have the same sign we need to apply the addition and take the same sign. But if we have the opposite sign we should apply the subtraction, and also we should take the sign for the bigger number. So 5 -2, 3, and the bigger number having the sign plus, so you will get +3. So which option is correct, +3 or 3? Both are same. Option C is correct. In the integers concept, for adding of the numbers, for the same sign you need to apply the addition, and you should take the same sign as result. For the opposite sign, if you have plus minus, minus plus, for adding the integers, so you need to apply the subtraction, and the biggest number sign you should take as the resultant value. Coming to the second bit, the number of integers between -1 and 1. They are asking number of integers, not the number in between -1 and 1. They are asking number of integers between -1 and 1. So -1 and 1, between them we have 0 only. The answer is not 0. They are asking not a number. They are asking the how many numbers. Only one number, that will be 0. So they should take, they are asking number of, so that's why answer will be 1. Only one integer will be there, that will be 0. The number of integers between -3 and 2. Between -3 and 2, how many integers we have, we should find. For that, no need to consider -3 and 2. In between -3 and 2, we should take the numbers. That will be -2, -1, 0, 1. So how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 integers there. So total 4 integers are there. So option C is correct. They are asking number of integers. Next, the greatest integer lying -10 and -15. So they are asking here -10 also we should take. For the negative integers, the smallest value for the negative as the greatest value. If you are taking the numbers more than the negative value, the values will decreases. So the greatest integer lying -10 and -15, -10 will be the greatest number, -15 will be the smallest number. So they are asking greatest integer, so -10 will be the answer. Option A is correct. For the fifth bit, -33 into 102 plus -33 into -2 is equal to. If you observe these two terms here, -33 will be the common. You should take the -33 common and take the bracket, and we have 102, and here plus into minus, you will get minus, and you have 2. So -33 bracket represents into 102 minus 2, how much? 100. So -33 into 100, -3300. So option B is correct. So these are the objective bits from our Pragada Academy material. For the demo purpose, I explained few bits only. So from the CBSE and ICSE books, we took the concepts for our material. Thank you.